It is this very challenge of meeting basic energy needs which makes India one of the fastest growing solar markets in the world today. And spearheading this rapid transformation of India's solar energy landscape is none other than the pioneer, Tata Power Solar Systems Private Limited. Taking a step towards fulfilling the government's aim of producing 22,000 megawatts of solar power by 2022, Tata Power Solar has set up a 17 megawatt solar power plant at Mithapur in Gujarat. The plant has been operating successfully since 1st January 2012 with an exceptional performance ratio exceeding 105%.
I think it's sort of the coming of age plant for us, right? Before that, we did plants that were smaller. We have had a lot of experience doing plants in difficult situations, some on a rooftop, some on an offshore oil rig, some in one of the world's difficult terrain in Leh and Ladakh, and in backward areas, like Chhattisgarh. This was a plant that really was the largest scale plant we have ever done, and in some sense represents our ability to take that knowledge and scale it and finish it in record time.
Mithapur, a sleepy little town in the Kutch region, is best known for its legacy of salt produced from seawater and the temples which dot its skyline in significance. However, its proximity to the sea also means a high level of salt, both in its soil and water.
I thought this must be a land of sweets. Then somebody told me that, no, meetha in Gujarati means salt. My dear, so welcome to the land of salt.
To counter the effects of salinity, not only was each of the 13,440 plant foundation pits made, first dewatered to remove salty water, but also special mechanized concrete foundations with customized pillar heights were erected. Furthermore, a special epoxy and hot galvanized coating on the structure was also used as protection against corrosion and to ensure longevity. Today, the structure and foundation can withstand winds at 180 km per hour, much beyond prevalent standards for safe operations. This project faced many such unique challenges requiring customized solutions. Like an airstrip in the vicinity. Reflection of sunlight by conventional panels would have posed a significant risk to flight operations, and therefore Tata Power Solar provided a unique panel design with anti-reflective coating to check reflection from panel glass, which not only improved yields but also ensured prompt approval from civil aviation authorities. An irregular site of 71 acres prompted use of non-standard rows to accommodate 73,920 modules and achieved a land use utilization of less than 4.2 acres per megawatts. No mean task by any yardstick.
Which generates anywhere from 80,000 to 90,000 units per day average, and it talks about close to 40 million units in a year. So obviously you're not talking of residential applications. It gets into the national grid.
Successful evacuation without any loss of power in blocks of 4 megawatt each through apt inverters to the nearest substation has once again showcased Tata Power Solar's domain expertise.
Great experience, I think, for all of us, not just me. I think it's for the whole company, right? This has sort of been a vindication of all the effort, hard work that we had to do.
The excellent safety records throughout the installation and commissioning period and efforts to encourage trust and support of local people further strengthens Tata Power Solar's status as industry leader.
मीठापुर में काम कर रहा हूँ तो क्या है कि घर के पास रहूँ और एक अच्छी सैलरी के साथ घर पे सेट हूँ, अच्छा एक नया कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है.
But beyond market reach and potentials are the more important issues which the Mithapur plant is helping address.
टाटा कंपनी मीठापुर थी हमने कंपनीએ આપણે અહીંયા પ્લાન્ટ પાડ્યો છે. એ પ્લાન્ટ સૂર્ય કિરણથી આપણે વીજળી પેદા કરી છે. એ અમારી થોડી આશા અમે કરીએ છીએ કે અમને એ વીજળી અહીંયાથી મળે તો અમારા છોકરાએ ભણી શકે. તો તમારી મહેરબાની કે અમારા ઉપર આટલું કામ કરી દિયો.
No doubt, access to energy, reducing poverty, meeting development challenges, and facilitating inclusive growth are the real mega achievements of the plant.